Hi guys, jigsaw time. I spotted this little one in a charity shop. Road puzzle with wind up boat. That's what caught my eye. It is a jigsaw, so we'll put it on my jigsaw playlist. 99p. So I'll take that off, see if there's anything important written underneath. Clearly this video will be seen as made for kids, so I'll mark it as made for kids. There won't be any option to put comments on it because YouTube automatically disables the comments on videos made for kids. So you'll have to look in the video description for ways of getting in touch with me if you want to make some sort of comment, which is basically Facebook or Instagram. I also put my videos on Pinterest, oh, and Twitter as well. So what do you reckon? Does it say how many pieces? Manufactured by Zebra, Copenhagen, Denmark. Made in China by flyingtiger.com. No, I don't see that it says how many pieces. It's not going to be many, is it? 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 9 maybe? I just wanted to have a go with this, let's be honest. So, dear oh dear. That looks like that's in the middle, doesn't it? It's got to be over there. That's got to be down there. That's got to be there. There's the sun up there. Yep. There we go. A really difficult jigsaw. So now I can play with the boat. It's got a little wheel to go in the track. Try not to wind it up too far. Oh, too fast. Okay, well, we'll see if it goes the other way, and then I can take it back to a charity shop, because I've had my fun. I haven't got to go too fast. Oh yeah. Sliding out on the corners. It clearly goes better the other way, doesn't it? You can probably hear our dishwasher in the background, can't you? Let's get a bit closer. Okay, one more go close up. I do like my wind-up toys. Clockwork wind-up. So there'll be a link to my clockwork playlist in the video description. and my Jigsaw playlist. Yeah, brilliant. A boat, yeah, a motorboat, yeah. Job done.
Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.